ta diri karon sa puan for the last client of this day. Yeah. So, ano siya? You got a CH160 case. Of course, the RX 6600. So, this is a small build for Sir Tats. Shout out kay Sir Tats for trusting JCSD. Salamat kaayo. No more further ado. Let's build it. Yun guys, maraming salamat. Nakuman na dito tanan from Ecoland. Then nagpatungo tayo sa Puan, which is how many kilometers away din. Of course, shoutout sa mga naging client for this day. Sila Sir Zaiki, Lyle, and of course sa last aming client si Sir Tats. Shoutout sa inyo, maraming salamat. Thanks for trusting JCSD. So sa mga magpa-commission build, just DM me sa Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter. Even on Reddit, napunta dito. So this is our last build. The Jeep ko CH160. As you can see, makarga-karga lang, oh. Diba? Chewy kayo. Hindi na siya kagamay. And this is the size. Can you see? 1 liter bottle. So yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Araw-araw kalidad. Araw-araw kalidad. Let's go. Peace out.